Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify to Wix. So, the easiest way to connect Shopify to Wix is by using Shopify's Buy button. So the first steps that you will need to follow is log into your Shopify admin account and click on the sales channel button, then click on buy now and create a buy button for the product or collection you want to display on your Wix site. Now, after selecting the product, click on generate code. After you click on generate code, copy the HTML code provided and now we are ready to add it to Wix. Next, head over to your Wix editor, choose the page where you want to add your Shopify product, then click on the plus add button from the menu. Now go to the embed section and select embed HTML. Paste the code you copied from Shopify into HTML box and click on apply. Now, your Shopify product is embedded on your Wix website. Visitors can browse your Wix website and directly purchase products through the Shopify Buy button. If you want to customize the look and feel of the Buy button, you can head back to your Shopify dashboard, adjust the button color, layout and text to match your Wix website style. This allows you to maintain a cohesive design across your site while still using Shopify's e-commerce functionality. Now, even though your products are still displayed on Wix, all store management will still be done through Shopify. This includes order management, inventory, and payment processing. Just log into your Shopify dashboard to track everything like customer orders and inventory levels, and that's it. By following these steps, you can easily connect your Shopify store to your Wix website and start selling products seamlessly. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.